Weed ecology is basically driving weed management. So the behaviour of weeds right from germination through to flowering essentially will dictate which and what management practices will be most effective. And it essentially comes down to the behaviour of the weed, identifying those weak links and then using the most appropriate management to exploit those weaknesses. Seed banks pretty much drive weed seed management, and what we've actually found with brome grass is it shows a lot greater persistence than what was first believed. Traditionally, brome was considered to be a non-persistent species where seed carryover from one season to the next would be no more than 10%. However, through our research, we've actually found that consistently seed bank persistence is of the magnitude of 20 to 30%. In addition to that, we've found that seed without the return of fresh seed input can basically remain viable in the soil for up to 3 years. And what essentially this means is that it basically drives the level of management, the period of management that's required to bring large seed banks back into levels which are far more manageable. That level of persistence basically has borne about the notion that to effectively run down the seed bank, you need 3 consecutive years of effective prevention of seed input. And from that, we've put a lot of focus therefore on crop rotation and creating flexible crop rotations that allow us to best manipulate and manage and drive down those seed banks, whether it be through promoting seedling exhaustion or through harvest weed seed. Essentially, ecology is driving management, so having a greater understanding of the germination behaviour right through to flowering and even to seed bank persistence, we can identify weaknesses within that behaviour that we can exploit for management.